So of course, I'm not going to be testing this with some horrible crushed and compressed MP3 files like you might have seen on other videos. I actually went out of my way to download a bunch of FLAC audio, and that is what I'm going to do this sound test with. So are you ready? Let's go. So alright guys, we're going to start the track now. 31% volume. Nice, increase it. Let's go up to 40%. 50%. 60%. 70%. 80%. 90%. 100. So guys, it's really important you understand that this audio test was recorded on a Zoom H4n mic about 2 meters away, and it's actually been rendered in Adobe Premiere and then played back to you on the device you're using. So it's quite hard for you guys to really gauge just how good this speaker is from that sound test. But I've left it out of videos in the past and people give me a lot of flack for it. So I hope you guys appreciate that I've done as much as humanly possible to demonstrate the sound quality in this video, and I'd really appreciate a thumbs up for that. And if you can think of a better way to do a sound test in a video like this, let me know. I'd love to hear it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late. So if you just subscribed, you're an official WhatGear legend. And if you want to check out the full review I made on this speaker, there's a thumbnail on the screen now. Also, you might want to check out the Devialet soundbox. That's a really unique product. And maybe you want to check out my original video, which I made before the first Phantom was even launched. That's on the screen too. See you guys later.